Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today in this video I would like to discuss about how are the job opportunities in the UK. I'll be specifically talking about data science. So because I'm doing data science, so I know about that. I don't know much about any other field. But then if you want to know about other IT related jobs, you can always ask me in the comment section, and I think it will be very much similar to what it is with respect to data science. So yeah, that's it. That's the thing. And I would also tell you what are the platforms where you can find jobs, and also what are the different ways you can find jobs, so that you will get overall picture of the job condition and is it easy or hard or whatever in the UK. So yeah, that's what I'll be discussing in this video. But as always, before moving further, if you are new here or if you subscribe to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family. And also hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And if you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. So yeah, with that being said, let's start our discussion. So are there jobs related to data science in the UK? So obviously there are lots and lots of jobs available in the UK, and there are many entry level jobs, there are many graduate level jobs, and then if you are experienced you can get some senior roles as well. So yeah, there are a lot of companies and there are a lot of openings, and just not related to data science. If you are just getting started into this field, maybe you can take up data analytics job as well, and then from there you can progress to data science. And if you are into machine learning or deep learning, you can move to those roles after that. So that is the thing. And if you want to get into data science or data analytics, and if you're a fresher, I would say it's not like you have to go for data analytics jobs or junior data analytics jobs. You can obviously find data scientist jobs as well. You can apply for all, but I think there are more chances that you will be able to get into data analytics first, and then from there you can go to data science. That's what I have seen. And about job, I can say that there are a lot of jobs because I have registered on various platforms like Target Jobs, and then all the universities have their career portals, so they publish the openings. So I have registered there as well, and on daily basis I get, like, every day I get some new opening. So obviously there are openings, but then it's totally up to us that are we able to grab those opportunities or not. And considering we are international students, sometimes there are these smaller companies, they probably won't be able to sponsor you, so they will just reject your resume, or maybe even they select your resume in the interview. The first few rounds they will probably tell you that we will not be able to sponsor you. So that is the thing. But then there are a lot of big companies, so they are ready to sponsor, and with this 2 years of PSW, it's much easier to get job now, I think, because there are a few people who have already got job, senior people, some freshers, including me. I have got a job as well. So yeah, there are openings, and then you will be able to find these. Now let's talk about which are the platforms that you should use. So like I told you, there are this career service team, which is very helpful, and all the universities have this. So I would highly suggest you to go and book an appointment with them and get your resume reviewed from them, because there are very different type of resumes you need to make for different job roles. So if you are going for graduate roles, your resume format will be something else, and if you are going for senior roles, then your resume format will be different. So whatever is your goal, whichever job you're applying for, or whatever is your target, according to that you will have to make your resume. So it's very advisable to book an appointment with your career service team, and also if they have a portal, you can register for a newsletter for openings on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, whatever is convenient for you, so that you will be up to date whatever openings are there. And there is this thing about applying to the job. People apply for like 10-20 jobs, and then they are like, oh, I'm getting rejection for all the jobs, and they feel demotivated. So you should not be like that. I think I would have applied for more than 50 to 60 jobs or something. Then I got an interview call for like 2 or 3, and out of that, one I was able to clear, and the other two were like, we cannot sponsor you. So and that was the thing. I mean, they were like, for 2 years, yes, you will be working on PSW, but then after that, we will have to sponsor you, and we don't know where we are going after 2 years. So they have started just last year, so they are very small companies. So that's why that's the thing. Yeah, so I would say you can apply to as many companies as you want, but there are chances that you will be able to get a job in bigger companies. So uh, whenever you're applying for those companies, be very careful with your resume, what type of resume you're submitting, what format you're using. So yeah, again, career service team is your best friend, so you need to reach out to them, and hopefully they will be able to help you. And then there are many other websites as well, such as, like I told you, Target Job, then Reed is there, Indeed is there, LinkedIn is there. LinkedIn specifically I did not find very helpful, because most of the people don't even respond to your application. If it has worked for you in the past, then it's well and good, but for me, I have applied to like so many job roles on LinkedIn, but none of them reverted back. So for me, it's waste of time. I don't really care much about jobs on LinkedIn. But then there is another way that you can do is, if you see opening on some website, let's say Target Jobs, and you know that in a particular company there is this opening, you can reach out to people on LinkedIn saying, can you please refer me for this job role? So that, I mean, I don't know if it is going to work for you or not, but then if they're ready to refer you, there are more chances that your resume will get shortlisted. And after that, it's totally up to you how, if you are able to clear the interview or not. So that is one way. And then the next way is job fairs. So most of the universities are conducting these job fairs, and there are so many companies are coming there. So we have in Newcastle University, we have on 27th of this month. So yeah, that is there. I don't know if I'll be going or not, but then yeah, I can give it a try. What if I'll find some interesting job role there? So these job fairs are also very important, and you should always consider these job fairs as well. And not only in the university, sometimes there are different platforms, like let's say again Target Job, Read, and Indeed. They, if you have opted for their newsletter, and if there is some job fair going on, they also keep posting about all these things. So keep an eye on these things and make sure you attend all these things. So if I have to summarize everything, there are lots and lots of opportunities here in the UK related to data science and IT as well. But then if you are just depending on the websites and traditional way of applying to job, it will be hard, because everybody is going to do that. So you have to be very innovative, you have to think about connections and all. And again, there is one more thing that you can do, is going to meetups. There are a lot of meetups going on, and there's this website called meetup.com or something like that. Yeah, I will again leave the link in the description, so you can check out that. And whichever region you are in, so I'm in Newcastle, so I have this Northeast data analytics team who conduct meetups every now and then. So I try to go there and make some good connections there, and because of that I was able to get internship as well. So that is again a very good way. And when you talk to someone face to face, I think that gives them idea that you are actually interested, and you will be able to show your knowledge as well. So I would highly suggest you to do that as well. So I have mentioned a lot of things in this video, and if you have made note of them, I think it will be fine. But if you haven't, then also it is fine. But then yeah, these are the things that you can do, and there are openings, but then you have to be really smart with what you are doing and how you are applying to those jobs. So yeah, there you have it. This is what I wanted to discuss in this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. And you can download data science notes, link is in the description. And you can join Telegram group as well. There are many people who are going for studies in the UK or maybe somewhere else, and they all are very much focused on data science. So if you have any query related to data science, or if you are going for abroad studies, you can join the Telegram group as well. And then yeah, this is it for this video. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, all those good things. See you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.